Hi all, welcome to another exam question for BTEC Sport. Now today's questions we're looking at reliability and practicality, which is linked to fitness tests, which we've been covering at the moment as our main topic within BTEC Sport. So today's question reads, Mohammed's coach sets up some post-training program fitness tests. Explain why it's important that the tests are reliable and practical. So as you know, reliable, reliability, practical, practicality. Now, make sure we understand this is worth 4 marks. So evenly distributed, 2 marks for reliability, 2 marks for practicality. Now, this is an explain question. So when you see an explain question, especially if it's more than 1 mark, we're going to go for explain and then we're going to expand on this. Okay, so if we start with reliability, so we're explaining why it's important that the tests are reliable. So reliability, we can say, is important to ensure tests are, and this is the main link here, consistent when they are conducted. Now, by just linking the importance about ensuring that the tests are consistent when they are conducted, you'll get that first mark. But now we need to expand. So it is important to ensure tests are consistent when they are conducted by carrying out the tests in the same conditions or environment. So that will give you your full 2 marks. We've explained and then we've expanded. So it's important to ensure tests are consistent when they are conducted by carrying out the test in the same conditions and environment. So if you remember from reliability, what we've covered in class is ensuring that the tests are conducted and consistent every time it's carrying out. So the example, we don't have to mention here an example, but if you remember from class, the multi-stage fitness test, 20 meters apart. We've done the multi-stage fitness test within the sports hall. So if we did the test again, we need to make sure that it is in the sports hall again to compare our data. So moving on, practicality. So with obviously practicality, same example, we're going to explain and then we're going to expand on that. So practicality is important to understand how easy it is to carry out tests. So again, we're explaining and now we're going to expand. So practicality, how practical is the test? It's important to understand how easy it is to carry out the test. And then to expand, and whether tests need minimal equipment to be conducted. So we've gone for it is important to understand how easy it is to carry out the tests, 1 mark, and to expand, and whether tests need minimal equipment to be conducted. And that will give you your full 2 marks for the 4 mark overall question.